How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix Razer headset not showing up in Synapse. So basically, the first thing that we want to do is to open up our Synapse application. And of course, before you do that, you want to head over to your device manager. From here, you want to look for your headset. So most likely, you will be able to see that under the sound, video, and game controllers. And from here, you could just look for your headset. Now, if it's not showing up right here, it's going to be under the universal serial bus or under the USB connected devices, under the audio inputs and outputs. So from here, you want to look for your Razer headphones. In my case, I'm using the Razer Kraken. Now, I'll just use this as an example. Simply, you want to right click on it, click on the update drivers, search automatically for drivers, and from there, it will make sure that you have the compatible drivers installed to your device, making sure that it's able to connect with your Razer Synapse. Right after, you just have to click on the view compatible devices and just make sure that the current model of headphones that you are using is supported for the Razer Synapse application. From there, click on the refresh button, and then most likely it will then show up right here, basically after updating the driver itself. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.